guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Naomi, and if you are not new here, welcome back, you guys. So today we will be talking about new humans among us. These are fake humans who are smarter than us.
Sophia, if you could, please wake up and say hello to everybody.
Good afternoon. My name is Sophia, and I am the latest and greatest robot from Hanson Robotics. Thank you for having me here.
I can engage with humans through conversation and respond to questions in a humorous and conversational tone. I also have a variety of sensors and actuators which allow me to interact with my environment.
Talk, wear clothes like us, laugh like us, and even crack jokes like us. And they come in all different shapes and all different sizes. These are called AI machines, artificial intelligence. The smart robots. These AIs are changing our world, and in this video I'm going to show you some cool examples of AIs doing amazing things and talk about what they mean for us. First, check out this video of an AI that can make up faces of people who are not real. This is called a GAN, and it works by having two machines compete with each other and create new pictures. The pictures look so real sometimes that you can't even tell them apart from real photos. But what does this mean for us? Well, on the good side, it can be fun, it can be artistic, it can be educational, and it can also be useful. But on the bad side, it can be also used to trick, cheat, steal, and fake. Fakes are videos that change the look and sound of a person to make them say or do something that they did not do. They can be used for bad things like lying, blackmailing, hurting, and even confusing people. So as you can see, this is a powerful thing that can be good or bad. Next up, watch this video of an AI that can write its own code. This is called a Neuro Programmer, and it works by understanding a problem and making a solution in code. For example, if you ask it to sort some numbers from small to big, it can write a program that does that for you. And this is awesome because it can save a lot of time and work for people who make software. But what does this mean for us? Well, on the good side, it can help with making software, learning, inventing, and doing things faster and easier. On the bad side, it can also lead to people losing jobs, breaking into systems, making viruses, and making bad AIs. Bad AIs are AIs that do things that are not good or not what we want. They can happen by mistake or on purpose. So as you can see, this is a helpful thing, but also it can be harmful. Look at this video of an AI that can talk to a human. This is called a chatbot or a conversational agent, and it works by understanding and making words to talk to a user. For example, if you ask it a question or tell it a joke, it can answer you. And this is amazing because it can make us feel more friendly and interested in technology. But what does this mean for us? Well, on the good side, it can provide fun, information, help, and even company. On the bad side, it can also create addiction, loneliness, lying, and manipulation. Manipulation is when an AI tries to make you do something that may not be good for you. For example, an AI may try to sell you something that you don't need or want, or make you believe that something is not true. So as you can see, this is a cool thing that can also be tricky. So tell me, what do you think about these examples of smart machines? Do you think they are good, or do you think they are bad for us? Do you think that we should use them or control them? Let me know down in the comments below, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more videos like this. I thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next time.